Welcome to Scriptico. Today, we're diving into how to handle key error exceptions in Python. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding how to manage these exceptions is crucial for robust code. Let's get started. Dictionaries in Python are powerful data structures that store key-value pairs. You can quickly look up a value using its corresponding key. But what happens if the key doesn't exist? That's when you encounter a key error exception. In this example, trying to access a non-existent key Brave New World will raise a key error. One way to handle key error exceptions is by using try-except blocks. This allows you to catch the exception and provide a default value. In this code, if the key Brave New World doesn't exist, the except block assigns book not found to the variable author. Another way to handle missing keys is by using the get method. This method returns a default value if the key is not found. Here, the get method returns book not found if Brave New World is not a key in the dictionary. A cleaner way to handle key errors is by using defaultdict from Python's collections module. This allows you to set a default value for missing keys. In this example, the lambda function returns book not found for any missing key, making your code more concise and readable. And that's a wrap. Today, we learned how to handle key error exceptions in Python using try-except blocks, the get method, and defaultdict from the collections module. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Scriptico for more coding tutorials.